In massive relief for the former United States President Donald Trump and the incoming one as well, considering he's going to be inaugurated on the 20th of January, he has been granted unconditional release in the hush money case. Remember, this is a legal case and a controversy stemming from alleged payments made during the 2016 presidential election campaign. Now, the case revolves around claims that Trump's legal team facilitated payments to adult film actress Stormy Daniels, who had threatened to reveal details of an affair she claims to have had with Trump. Now, these payments were reportedly made to prevent Daniels from going public, which could have impacted Trump's political career. Despite the legal complexities surrounding the case, including charges related to campaign finance, violations, and falsifying business records, Trump's legal team has secured a deal that results in no jail time, penalties, or probation for the former president. However, Trump will remain a convicted felon, but his sentence will not involve incarceration or any additional punitive measures.
The devil lies in the details. On the face of it, the headline says that Donald Trump has been convicted, but this is a conviction without any sentencing. He will not pay any fine. He will not be in jail for any period of time, because this is essentially an unconditional discharge, which essentially means Donald Trump is a free man, and the decks are cleared for him to take oath as the next president of the United States. He does, again, make the history books for someone who has always been on the dubious side of history. He does go in as the first U.S. president to be a convicted felon, as he pointed out, but the fact still remains that at the ground level, he is not going to be hindered by any sort of a jail time or any sort of a fine or any sort of a penal provision. This is, again, a classic example of how the system was manipulated, especially the judiciary was kind of nudged and manipulated, because the original hearing for this case, which is, of course, the 2016 hush money case involving then President Donald Trump and Stormy Daniels. This hearing was originally supposed to come up in July, but successfully Trump was able to lobby and get it delayed to a point where it was evident then that he was going to be the next president, and that was a key argument used by his legal team to highlight the fact that this was someone who was going to go into the White House and therefore should not be sentenced or given any sort of jail term. So yes, it is a massive relief for Donald Trump. He gets away with just a conviction in name, essentially, and that doesn't stop him at all. And one more big vindication for Donald Trump.